Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We are going to ask you some questions and you have to reply.
Do you make plans every day?
No, I oftenly make plans at the weekend. When
I often make plans on the weekend.
On the-
I often, not oftenly.
I often make the plans at the weekend because when when I am free, then I plan to go to a museum or a cinema or anywhere for a picnic with my friends.
Okay, so to answer your question, I mostly plan over the weekends.
Over the weekends, yes.
Good, let's go on.
Are you good at managing your time?
No, I'm not. Um, um, my parents and teachers always said me that I'm not a disciplined guy at all, and I'm not saying this proudly, but it is a reality that I'm not good at managing my time.
Okay, I'm not good at managing my time. Now use the words like punctuality, regularity, punctual, be on time. So you have to use a variety of words which are related to the topic. Okay, let's go on. One more question.
What is the hardest part about making plans?
Hardest part in making the plans that when you make the plans with your friends, you all have to make sure that this is the place where we are gonna go. So it is the most difficult thing that one person is trying to say that this place is good and the other one is disagreeing with that. So I think this is the hardest part. That
Good. So just answer like this, okay? And at the end, one sentence conclusion, it'll be fine. Just practice with these type of topics and patronize your answer. Thank you.